Now let's talk about Macie, AWS Macie. So Macie is a fully managed data security and data privacy service that will use machine learning and pattern matching to discover and protect your sensitive data in AWS. So more specifically, it will alert you around sensitive data alert you around sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, which is like the named PII, personally identifiable information. So very simple, your personally identifiable information data will be in your S3 bucket and will be analyzed by Macie, which will discover what data can be that the data can be classified as personally identifiable information PII, and then will notify you through CloudWatch events or event pages of the discoveries. Then with the integration with CloudWatch events, you can have integration into an SNS topic, Lambda functions, and so on. So Macie in this instance will be used to find the sensitive data in your S3 buckets, and that's the only thing it will do. It's just one click to enable it, and you just specify the S3 buckets and you want to have, and then it will be it. So that's it for this lecture, and very short, but that's enough on Macie, and I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next similar small lecture.